Hello and welcome back to the Beautiful Things channel. I am joined with the lovely Elspeth. We have just got back from Utrecht and it's time to share with you all of the fabric that we purchased. Now we did buy quite a lot. When I look at it just piled up here, this is just Elspeth's. We decided that it would be better to do two separate fabric hauls because there is a lot. So we're going to start with Elspeth's, and then later on, probably next week, I will share my fabric haul with you. So, what's first? In no particular order.
In no particular order.
Ah!
Snuggle.
This is a large piece of fleece. It was all that was left, wasn't it?
It was all that was left, and I couldn't resist the colours, and it's just so
very you,
snuggly.
isn't it? So what's it going to be?
Well, it's either going to be just a throw
Yeah.
over my settee, because it's the
Just
sort of
bind
one
the
I
edges.
would then curl up and the cats can't kill, or it's going to be a big sloppy cardi of some sort, or just a big loose sloppy top of some sort.
You could do the largest size, just so that it really was sloppy, of the Italy and the Buttons Nora jumper.
Nora.
That's the one I did in that black and grey leopard.
Yes.
It's got the kind of big neck.
Nice. Yes.
And that would just be nice. If you just did it in the largest size, it would be kind of like a house jumper.
Yes.
Super.
Because I need jumpers in my house. It's so cold in my house.
What's next?
Right. Up next is
Mice. You always buy mice when we go to
I don't know
Utrecht.
why. I always am. This is Utrecht Market. Always has mice.
Let's show this one
Take
up
it up
close.
close because it's right. So some have bowler hats, and some others have bow ties,
And
some are just
curly tails.
just happy mice.
And that is, what is that?
Stretchy.
Oh, it's just a t-shirt.
Yes.
T-shirt jersey,
Yes.
and it is four-way stretch, so it's perfect for a t-shirt.
Yes. So that's some sort of
t-shirt.
sort of basic 3/4 sleeve, probably t-shirt to go over jeans for the winter. This is similar.
Oh, I like that.
I just liked the
It's good quality. It's got a
beautiful
really good bounce
quality.
back, hasn't it?
yeah.
Just a nice t-shirt.
And again,
jersey.
just a t-shirt.
But it's
I'm very
it's-
short of t-shirts.
It's lightweight, but it's not
Mm.
super slinky. You can't see through it. So
No.
it's a sturdy, lightweight jersey.
And it doesn't necessarily, when it's as light as, when it's as decent as this, doesn't cling to all the bulgy
That's
bits
good for
quite
an
to the same
Agnes.
extent.
You want one that's
Yes,
got a bit of
yeah.
cling.
This
Oh,
is
dear.
an off-cut. Well, this is what was left after Claire's mum bought for
My
a
mum
dress.
has bought something. She's decided she's going to make a dress.
And for some
was
reason, I
left
decided
over.
I was going to have a top. Again, I just love the colours.
It's beautiful.
I just absolutely love the colours. But I think that might just be a top that would go with black trousers in the
Yeah,
winter, and
that's
it
another
could
one
be a
for
little bit
close
more
up.
formal. There you
Yeah.
are, and if you
there you go.
there you get the sparkle.
See the sparkle. And that's
that
just
could
a
be-
lightweight knit, this one.
Yeah.
It's not loop back, but it's just a kind of, it must be polyester, I would imagine. Poly knit. But yeah,
Nice
that's
for
got a nice
winter
drape.
evenings, I thought.
So,
with
definitely.
black trousers of some sort.
So I won't show you my version of that because I've got some of that obviously in my haul, but it was for my mum. So she's going to make just a really simple straight knit dress. Dead
And then
straight.
she's going to get filmed wearing it.
She is, yeah.
Good.
She is.
This,
I forgot you bought that.
I'd forgotten I bought this. It's not like me at all to have bought it, but it's a
That's a
lovely
coupon,
heavy
isn't
one
it?
actually. I think that was a coupon, as in a remnant.
Coupons are Dutch for remnants, and they're really good sizes. They're normally about normally 1.5 wide fabric, and you normally get a metre. I mean, that's a huge piece.
It's enormous.
That's not jersey, is it?
No.
Did you buy that then?
I don't know.
I don't remember you buying that.
I remember buying it, and I
That's
can't
like a
remember what I had
rayon.
in mind. I think that might be a sloppy shirt,
Yes, it needs to. It's got to
Yeah.
be. It's a woven.
or it could be. Can't find the pattern now. It's further down. It could be a sort of sloppy shirt with
So you've
loose
bought quite a
curly
few
neck.
things that you don't really know what you're going to do
No,
with them,
I have.
which
I'm
is
always
dangerous.
like that.
I've not done that at all.
But I did go with clearly in mind what I wanted to make
Yeah.
and what I
And
needed.
t-shirts
but
were
then
on the list, weren't they?
T-shirts were definitely on the list, so that's fine.
But
But
that's probably the first
I
I
then
don't know
fell
what
in
to
love
do with.
other things.
As you do.
But I knew about this.
Oh, my mum made you buy that.
But actually, I'm
like
rather
it.
glad she did. I'm doing the Ginger Deans class
You are.
with Charlotte in February. And this is either the toile or the finished thing. I haven't decided yet. I bought enough for it to be the
Either
proper
or.
one. So it could
Green
be
stretchy
either
denim.
or. Green stretched denim, just to really shock the neighbourhood.
That would be fabulous.
This
Another t-shirt. You're going to have lots of t-shirts.
No, this isn't a t-shirt. This is going to be a body. Claire and I are going to make
yes,
a body
yes.
each. So this is really quite thin and very stretchy.
Very, very stretchy, isn't it?
And we've got some black fold
Copper
over.
elastic.
Well, we've also got some black knicker elastic that you can fold over and do the
The
legs.
leg holes, yeah.
Holes
I don't
with-
think the pattern calls for it, but I think it would be a nice
Which would
finish.
be nice. And some of the poppers on elastic. Or on
And you're just going to
tape.
do the turtleneck.
I'm
long
just going to
sleeve
do a
version,
turtleneck
aren't
body.
you?
I like a body underneath some of my
Cleos.
Clio type dresses, pinafore type dresses, and also just for warmth in the winter in my cold house.
Elspeth
and
lives in a beautiful big Victorian house, but it is
It
very
is
high
very
ceiling
drafty.
and very cold.
Yes, and
Nice though.
but it's a beautiful house. It's just a cold house, so that's going to be nice. That
Nice and warm.
this I made this version ages ago with the sort of asymmetrical hem, and it didn't hang right. I wasn't happy with it, but I do like, there's either that version that has a hood and is just a sort of duffel jacket, or there's a straight edge at the bottom jacket, but again with this lovely big sort of fold over wrap over collar. So I wanted to make a short, I made a big winter coat last winter.
Sit down because I can't see you.
Oh, hello.
Dropping your hair.
I made a big winter coat last winter, so I wanted a short jacket type winter coat. And this was...
This is the one you saw us, if you've watched the shopping, deliberating over, because my mum thought Elspeth would look like a tree if she went with green and brown.
Well, so I just went with green in the end, partly because I wasn't certain enough and I could therefore buy slightly cheaper because it was just one long length instead of doing it. I'm longing for that jacket, but with bright jewel colours, sleeve one colour, other sleeve another colour, half the front one colour, the other half of the front
you just
another
can't
colour.
find
I
the
couldn't
colour.
find the bright jewel colours that I wanted in the right sort of boiled wool type fabric.
This stuff is €10 a metre,
This
and
is
it's ever
incredible.
so nice.
It's warm, it's wool, it will be lovely to sew. It's thin enough to make a
Drape
good
if it needs
drape
to.
collar if I do it like that. And that jacket doesn't need lining, and this is nice and smooth and soft.
It's lovely on both sides.
Yeah,
You can't
it
really
is.
even tell what the wrong
No.
side and the right side is, can you?
So that's going to be my winter jacket, and I'm going to do that fairly soon.
Get that cut out
Yeah.
soon.
These two
They were coupons.
were coupons, and dirt cheap coupons.
They were €4 each, or 3, 4, 6.
That's why there was something. It was some
Something
deal.
like
That's
that,
why
because
we
I've
bought,
got one of
yeah.
your other ones.
And there's huge quantity. There's an absolutely enormous
They're
quantity of
easily
it.
a metre and a half
I
by
mean,
a
that's-
metre and a
that's-
half.
That's more than a remnant. That's
Yeah.
incredible. So
For
those
€4.
two, both of them, thin and drapey. And I'm going to try this
Patty do.
Patty Do. I like Patty Do patterns. And she does... Come on into focus. Thank you. I like Patty Do patterns, and she does lovely videos, very nice clear videos, and a nice pace.
And you speak German, which helps.
And I speak German, and it's fun doing. I mean, she does do them in English as well, the patterns, and you can get the videos with English, I think. But it's just fun. I just enjoy doing it in German. But I thought this, with the drapey cowl neck and the 3/4 sleeves, would be nice t-shirts and those two finished
Perfect.
fabrics. So, and on we go.
Oh, love this, love this.
The first purchase, you've seen it on the
With the wonderful
Utrecht
film
video.
star Tom.
Sold to me by Tom, who stars in films, and this is his breakthrough in the UK.
Celebrity fabric seller. If you
Fabric seller
haven't
to the
watched
stars.
our fabric shopping trip yet, you might want to pause
Yes.
and actually go and watch it. I'll link
Go
it
and
up
find
here.
Tom. He was really rather gorgeous.
Was he now? He was rather nice.
He was rather
Very
gorgeous.
pleasant.
Yes, he was very pleasant as well. This is a lovely heavy jersey.
It's beautiful, actually. It's so
Beautiful
soft.
colourings. It's going to drape beautifully, and it's for this, which is Simplicity. Are you in focus? Yes, I think so. Simplicity 1018. And I just want that very basic plain scoop neck, 3/4 sleeves, winter
It's going to
dress,
look lovely.
which I can wear.
You'll wear that
I
today.
can dress it up, or I can wear it to go down the shops in.
You're going to be like living here, I think.
I
over
am,
the next
yes,
few weeks,
yes.
aren't you?
I'm hoping you'll move out actually, so I've got a bit of peace.
Charming.
Patty Do again.
Oh, you've made this before.
I've made this before. When I made it before, I made this.
Fabric.
It made it before with fabric from Toppy Stuff in Utrecht last year. This one with the 3 different colours in, and it's a lovely sweatshirt. It's a nice pattern. It's got a little bit of shaping in, so it doesn't just feel big and
Sloppy.
masculine and sloppy. It feels quite sort of feminine, and it's got this lovely rollover neck, which I like.
This fabric's quite magical.
This fabric, I think,
I
is
think it's another close-up.
gorgeous.
Job.
It is a
Slightly
close-up,
quilted.
yes. It's got a sort of quilted effect and little tealy stars in among the denim-y blue, and then the other side is that. So I reckon if I do that Patty Do pattern, I can have one section of the stripes and the main, I think, with this deep blue with the little stars on. I just loved it. And it's sort of got this, you can see now. And my fabric, my fabric partner is
Battery's flashing.
It's
Sorry, it won't
you
run
made the
out.
battery
It
flash.
won't run out. It won't run out.
Okay.
This is madness. Let me change the battery. One sec.
Right. Have you got more battery now?
I have.
Oh, good.
I'm fully charged.
Oh no, no, dangerous. Right.
What's next?
This is the last bit of Utrecht, and then we'll be on to Amsterdam after that. Last bit of Utrecht.
This is lovely.
Patty Do again.
You love your Patty Do.
I love my Patty Do. I just like the way she does them. You get really nice quality paper patterns.
Yeah.
And you
This
get
is a zippy hoodie,
good
isn't it?
book with certain amount of instruction, but the majority of the instruction is on the
On the video.
video. But I find her videos easy to cope with. Sometimes I can't really cope with learning by video. But this stuff, I thought, come on, focus. There you are.
Lovely.
Nice dandelion clock heads or allium seed heads, could be. Lovely soft fleecy inside. For a hoodie type,
Zippy hoodie.
zippy hoodie,
Yep.
sweat top of some sort to go to and throw yoga in. So that was all Utrecht.
So this is Amsterdam.
Yeah, we went to the Noordermarkt in Amsterdam on the Monday.
We haven't put that video up yet, but we will do.
Will be very different from Utrecht, and we thought when we first walked down, we both sort of said, no, nothing
Don't
here we
want
want to
anything.
buy. We turned around to walk back to where we'd started, so of course
And that changed.
then
Llamas.
I found some llamas, and I can't not have llamas, so that is, well, I don't know what that is.
T-shirt, I guess. Long sleeve top.
It's there's quite a lot of
You
it.
could do a cocoa.
I could possibly get a
Or a lady
cocoa. It would be
skater.
nice to have a cocoa. Perhaps I haven't made a cocoa for a long time. Yeah, I haven't decided yet, but something
Something fun.
fun. This is just a 1 metre because it's going to turn
Half a
into
metre.
probably, oh, half a metre. It's going to turn into a bag probably. I love this fabric. I saw it in Utrecht last year. I just love all the windows and the different balconies and the different surrounds, and it just is gorgeous, and it's really tough furnishing fabric. So that's going to be probably a bag.
Copycat.
Madam wears
My pink one.
pink seagulls. I found for considerably less money in Amsterdam green seagulls. So, green seagull top, front and back, with
plain grey
grey sleeves or whatever.
No, cuffs, waistband
grey.
and neckband.
Yeah, all right, cuffs.
Like my pink one.
Right, green seagulls and then grey edging.
But you had to pay quite a lot of money for this, didn't you?
This
we
was
had
the
to
most
go to the fabric
expensive.
shop next door to Stephen and Penelope to get that because they didn't have any on the market.
But it was lovely in there. They had so many different shades of grey, so you could get exactly the shade of grey you wanted to go with your seagulls.
So you've done all right. How many garments is that?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, something like 15 garments.
I think you need to get sewing, don't you?
I need to get sewing.
Or get cutting out. I think that's the trick. I think I've already cut one of my projects out. I was a bit cheeky and I did that before I filmed my haul. But I think you need to cut out almost 2 or 3 things and then start sewing. And then that way, if you have a day when you can suddenly do lots of sewing, you've got it all cut out and you can just put it all together.
And I love having them all ready because then if I'm feeling a bit brain dead, I can come and just do side seams or something simple. If I feel I've got a bit more intelligence attached, I could do the neckbands or something more complicated on something different, so that I don't go and muck it up. But there's always something I can be getting on with, so I like doing it like that.
Fabulous. Well,
good trip. Thank you for coming.
Very good trip. Thank you for coming. We'll go again, shall we?
Yeah, let's do it again.
Why not?
But not quite yet.
No,
let me sew some of this up.
I think we need to do spring next time. We've done winter. We've done the end of summer, coming into autumn. I think spring would be nice, sort of April, May time.
Take me.
Oh. Maddie's here. You want to come?
Do you think Maddie could behave?
I think we
enough
need
trouble with the BCHQ dragons. What do you think is going to happen if we take Maddie?
A Beautiful Things group weekender. That could be
a staff outing.
Staff outing.
Oh.
That means you'll have to take Mum again, though.
Oh.
Anyway, thank you very much for watching. We will see you all again soon.
Bye.